In early 2021, shortly after moving to Madeira Island, we fell in love with this house. And even though it was just a concrete sketch, we knew it had our 3 names written all over. 2 years later, we almost moved in, but it wasn't quite ready yet. We didn't have running water nor access to sewage, and Amalie wasn't ready to live out of a festival toilet just yet.
Now here in March 2024, a long wait is finally coming to an end. It's not like we've been counting the 1047 days, 2 hours and 19 minutes, but we must admit that we are ready to finally settle in to what we think is one of the most stunning and unique homes we have ever seen.
We feel so privileged to open this new chapter of our life, and we would like to invite you to come along as we document every step of the way, right from furnishing the house to slowly but surely see the whole property become the aesthetic masterpiece we knew it would become 3 years ago. Guys, it's happening right now. We're moving in. For the last 6 months, all of that stuff behind you has been waiting here in our basement. And I don't think I can explain just how painful it's been to look at these boxes every single day for 187 days. I'm pretty sure guys can relate to this because here's a 70-inch TV. Here's the latest and greatest Robo lawnmower. Or how about this fire pit endorsed by Snoop Dogg?
I'm going smokeless.
We have a Bang & Olufsen speaker, super nice linen. To be honest, I don't remember half of what's in these boxes, but we're gonna show you as we unbox all of this as we move into our villa. And Amalie, she is getting ready. Good morning.
What's up, my boys? I'm too excited to talk to you right now.
Perfect Tetris.
Nice.
Obrigado. See you at the house.
If you knew how long I've been wanting to clean this mess up and make it a little bit more livable.
Well, you can fly away or you can clean.
You're such an idiot. You can fly away and
You
leave
can
me
fly
alone.
to the villa, I'll take the scooter. We are in an open car because our main car is at the infirmary.
Yes, it's in the shop, so
Yeah.
we couldn't drive ourselves, but we got a lift by Jill.
This is Virgilio. Thank you,
Hello.
Virgilio. Everything is at the house now and we are going to organize. My father always said that the joy of expectation is the greatest joy in life.
I think I agree in some way. I think we learned that with life in general. We always love the process so much. And then once we are at the end goal, we get bored and we want to create a new challenge. So in many ways, I think I understand what he means. We're home.
We are home.
This looks so cool.
They just put this here.
Oh my goodness. F***ing amazing.
Look
Wow.
at this.
It's like you're walking on a cloud.
Wow. It's finally happening, guys.
So, we actually get the key to the house during Easter, which means that during Easter is where we move in. That also means that they don't have a full team to help us in these 4 days. So we're coming a little early because today there is a full team in the house. They can help us move the boxes in the right rooms and they can finish up some of the things. Ah, the sun. Let's go. So I'm Mrs. Millennial, so I'm expertise of everything. So I have literally organized all these boxes into rooms so that we know where we're gonna open the boxes.
How many individual units are there?
I think there are like 300
300.
boxes. Jon, this is the big lounge that you wanted for the TV. Do you remember a year ago we woke up here on the floor?
I do. It was surprisingly comfortable, but this is going to be a lot more comfy.
This bed is like custom made, and because it's custom made, we could actually use a lot of the same fabric throughout the house.
But it's amazing to see how the gray fabric just matches the tiles like perfectly.
Yep.
It's almost too good to be true.
And then when you see the bedding on this bed, oh my god, it's gonna be so beautiful.
And the engines on the panels are finally working, and we're going to show you just how epic and just how smart this house is. It's the coolest house in Portugal.
I agree.
Can we just take a moment to appreciate these floors here, Amelia?
This like pure Nordic oak. I
Yeah.
mean, come on. All the details are perfect. Like, look, this runs down to the floor. Like, this type of details are throughout the entire house. In a couple of days, rain is falling on me while I'm
I
showering.
cannot wait to try this myself. And there are so many things we haven't showed you, but we're gonna show you everything in this video or the next. In the what?
In the closet at the master bedroom.
Come on. We bought a biometric security safe. You need my fingerprint, guys. Amelia, I know you love being in the kitchen, but this is a little bit early to start.
No, it's not.
Garden tools, guys. I'm going to get green hands in this house because we finally have a garden. I haven't had a garden since I moved out of my parents' home when I was 16. That's 20 years ago.
Og så pakker du bare det her sammen, så det ikke fylder noget. When they find a box this
Is one here.
Yeah, this is outdoor. It's cement.
So we have a 70-inch TV going on the wall here. I'm so in love with this TV. We have it in our apartment, and we had this whole made. So the whole brain of the TV is behind the TV. So it's just going to be an art piece on the wall, and it's going to be installed right now. And then we have ordered the coolest thing for the TV. It's a console game stick with all the old school games, Super Mario, Donkey Kong, all those games, and I cannot wait to play it on this TV. Just throw it. Wow. So as you can see, it's taking shape. All the small details like the grass, the garden, you see here, we have irrigation, and me and Amelia, we're going to plant all the seeds, and we have the best woman permaculture wizard who has helped us design this garden. So it's going to be colorful, it's going to be with a huge variety. So basically you can just make whatever you want in terms of, you know, plant-based diet. You know, we're not going to have cows there. The pool is being filled right now, and these are finally out of the boxes. So the water is going to go up until here, so when you tan, you get a little bit of water on your butt. And the water is going to run over here and then down in the plunge pool. I have not seen the water run over here except when I was doing a bomb. So I'm pretty excited to see how it's going to look when we finally get water in the plunge pool. You can imagine how it's going to look and sound. They're raising these imported coconut trees or palms. I never know what the difference is. Wow, look at this. I'm going to play Super Mario from this couch here. Wow. Cushions, a lot of cushions. Finally, they're filling up water in the jacuzzi, and it's raining, which means it'll go even faster. Yes, it works. Woo! Bonjour. Hey, hey, ciao.
We are going to set up our huge cement table. We ordered it so it fits all the tiles.
Oh, wow. That's so satisfying. Oh no. Boa Pascal. Páscoa. Boa Páscoa.
Obrigada.
Obrigado pela ajuda. Ciao, ciao. Amelia, let me help.
No.
Let me help. Amelia.
Go get another box of chairs. Then you can make your own chairs.
Pretty good. Oh my God, look at that. This is a little bit tear-inducing, guys. Ay, 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 it's a new day. It's a cloudy day, it's a windy day. But there's tranquility in my heart. You need help, honey?
No. I know how to open the gate.
Lara, those pars, Lara,
Lapoplas.
You're not gonna mess up our brand new shiny clean house. No.
It's not that clean, Jon.
It is day 2.
Bit connect. No. It is day 2 today. I'm freaking excited. And I can't believe I'm just sitting down and doing nothing. But we are out here super early today because we have the elevator guy coming to change some buttons and
Install it.
testing and making sure that we can use it safely.
Finally,
So-
it's going to work so we can take it from 0 to -1 or -1 to 0. And Amelia is very lazy, so it's going to be
I'm
amazing.
never gonna use that elevator. That elevator is for when I've been out shopping and I bought a shit ton of things.
But there is a hurricane or storm hitting Madeira here
Yeah.
these days, actually today, and that's why it's not as sunny and shiny
As it usually is.
we had hoped that we could jump in the pool, that we could barbecue outside, but we will have to wait until the storm passes.
Yeah.
Tomorrow is where we actually move in terms of sleeping here. There are some things with the bed that is missing, and
It's the lamels.
we thought about bringing our inflatable mattress, but we were like, nope, we did that a year ago. Now we are only sleeping here when the bed is ready, and it is
to
tomorrow.
be completely honest, like I kind of want to clean this space before we move in because I forgot that even from my job back in the days, when there's a lot of cardboard boxes, I get freaking sick. Like something with the dust of the cardboard boxes that
Really?
makes me sick. So I actually just want to unwrap everything, get rid of the cardboards, clean, and then move in. But
That's Amelia's way of saying I want everything ready right now.
I want to get everything done, and I don't care about YouTube because this is my dream home. And Jon cares so much about YouTube. You should thank him and in the comments and give him a little bit of love because he wants to go so slowly so that we can include everything for you guys in the progress.
That makes a lot of sense, Amelia.
I know. Office lounge.
So Amelia asked on Instagram if we should sort the whole thing out fast or slowly. And 70% are like, do it fast. And that's what we're gonna do now. But we're gonna end the video here.
Thank you for watching. Are we gonna see you in the next one? We are.
Duh.
Can I start unpacking now?
What are you gonna start with?
Everything.
A few moments later.
A queen has fallen.
What is up?
She's burning into dust.
It just hit you.
It hit me out of nowhere.
And you were
And I was the one complaining about you.
You are kind of hot. In your
And not in that way.
In your forehead. Is it just stress? Are you stressed, Amelia? Is it too many boxes?
I'm excited. I'm not stressed.
We have a checklist, a long checklist, because we want to make this home homey.